morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we are in Bangkok, but we are heading south to Phuket. The TL Travel group has been here for a couple of days. It is a hot morning, I will tell you that. Sorry, I'm like still in my bathrobe. It did rain a little bit overnight, which was perfect because that kind of cools it down for the daytime, especially on a travel day. It's nice for it to be like a little bit cooler, even if it is still like 34 degrees, feels like 40. So obviously I've had a pretty relaxed morning. I have double checked all of our flights, got everybody checked in for their flights and all of that fun stuff, flight related admin stuff. And then yeah, we're gonna be on our way. So let's just get this day started because every second is a second closer to being at the beach.
Could be fake, just a blink of a moment, and it's gone. The smallest piece that we need when we're broken or lost. The moments that just passed us by, when we go blinded by what makes us die. Could be fake.
So we're here. Our bags are like already exploded everywhere. I've been doing a little bit of work right here on my little chair. Got a view out the balcony to the pool, so this is like the ideal place for me to work. Let's just show you what's up out here. This is gonna fog the lens for sure. It's so hot. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. Hopefully this is working and isn't too foggy, but there's the pool down there. It's all the other rooms with their little balconies all around the outside. And there's like a little island, and then there's a bigger pool, like at the other side of the hotel. So because one of our travelers actually came in a little bit later on the trip and did like just one night in Bangkok and then traveled here, this is actually the first day that the whole group is here in Thailand together, which means that this is probably the first day that I have like a little bit of time to myself that I can like relax before I get back into like booking stuff and stuff like that and doing all those things. So yeah, I've got my swimsuit on and I am ready to just enjoy the heat because I'm gonna tell you right now, it's so hot, and maybe get a cocktail because the hotel that we are at, it's called Burasari Spa, Patong Beach, and they have some brilliant cocktails, and I think it's almost happy hour. I'm like, I don't know if there's a clock in here. There's gotta be a clock, but regardless, I think it's almost happy hour, so drinks for me.
Goes away and you feel caught. I'll be there when nothing really seems to move us forward. Hold on. By yourself, about to give up, but I won't. We keep falling down until we start to tear, but we can still be strong. So wipe out all your tears when words die.
Okay, so the plan now is that we are getting haircuts for the boys. This is the before shot, and they're gonna go pretty extreme with those haircuts. See how it turns out.
Don't look in the mirror. Falling apart, hold your hand when my heart is. Get me high when we fight all the time. Just show me we're holding.
Oh my gosh, what a cluster of footage that was this day. It literally feels like we've been in Phuket for days and we just got here today. So I don't know if I was like, I don't think I was really talking to you guys much through the day. Sorry about that. It was super loud and super chaotic. The boys decided that they were going to go get like crazy wild haircuts, which was actually going to be probably funnier for video footage than it ended up being, just because of the fact that like we picked a random barbershop and they got haircuts that like they would never normally get. And then they ended up being really great haircuts and looking really good. So it was entertaining for all of us, but like it wasn't wasn't like the funny drunk moment that we thought it was gonna be, which, you know, in hindsight's probably for the best. So we did that. We had a bunch of really great food today, and that was great. And then the boys went to the market and picked out ridiculous crop tops to wear to Bangla Road. So that is the rest of the plan for tonight, which is going to be a night on Bangla. And if you are new to the whole region and you are unaware about Bangla and its effects that it has on people, it's like Khao San Road in Bangkok amplified by it's just amplified. So I'm going to do my best to throw in some footage from that after this, but I'm probably not going to do an outro tonight because let's be real, well, you know. So I will say goodbye to you guys right now from here. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. Wish me luck tonight, and on that note, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!